Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a brand new explainer and we're unpacking a comprehensive review of WebinarKit for 2026. We're going to look at exactly how this tool claims to completely automate your entire sales process, literally from the presentation all the way to the close by using AI. So let's see how you can finally stop selling manually and let a smart system do the heavy lifting for you.
Look, if you're totally exhausted from doing constant live events and selling one-to-one, well, your sales process might actually be leaking serious revenue. It's just a fundamental truth in business, right? Selling one-to-one simply doesn't scale. You eventually run out of hours in the day. So the core question you really have to ask yourself today is, are you currently the engine of your business, or are you actually building an engine that can run completely without you?
So here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering the live webinar problem, meet the AI solution, powerful AI sales features, pros, cons, and fit, pricing versus legacy tools, and finally, our final verdict and next steps. Let's jump right in.
All right, Section 1, the live webinar problem. Let's look at the immediate bottleneck most coaches, course creators, and service providers are facing right now.
The core problem is that traditional webinar setups demand just an immense amount of manual effort. If you've ever run one, you absolutely know the grueling drill I'm talking about. Launching is exhausting. You need design skills to make the deck look professional, you need elite copywriting to make the script actually convert, and then you're just stuck on this hamster wheel of hosting live constantly just to maintain your revenue. It simply doesn't scale. It's this exhausting cycle that keeps you trapped working in your business rather than on it.
Which brings us to Section 2, meet the AI solution. Let's shift from that exhaustive manual labor to pure, streamlined automation. WebinarKit tackles this whole bottleneck by acting as a true 6-in-1 platform tool stack. Instead of paying for and, clumsily duct taping together 6 different subscriptions, WebinarKit combines everything. You get your webinar hosting platform, an AI scriptwriter and copywriter, an AI slide deck designer, an AI-powered live chat sales agent, your email and SMS automation, and a funnel and landing page builder. It's all just rolled right into one unified engine. And honestly, it's a stack that's already being used by over 18,000 businesses to scale up without needing live hosting or any prior design skills.
Moving on to Section 3, powerful AI sales features. Let's actually get into the mechanics and see how this engine runs. This is where the magic really happens with the AI webinar builder. Step 1, you literally just describe your offer in a short prompt, like create a webinar that sells a $1,000 coaching program. Step 2, the AI does the heavy lifting and generates a complete, proven sales script and a matching slide deck. And Step 3, actually, this is the kicker. You connect an AI voice or a HeyGen avatar to present automatically without ever being on camera. You can literally build the whole shebang in minutes.
But the real game changer here, that would be the AI sales agent. Think of this as your relentless, 24/7 automated live chat assistant. While your presentation is running, this agent interacts with attendees in real time. It answers their questions, overcomes their objections, and actively guides viewers right toward checkout during live or evergreen webinars. It completely removes the need for you to sit there, glued to your screen, manually monitoring a chat room. And the cool thing is you aren't boxed into just one type of presentation. The flexible event formats supported are huge. You can run automated and evergreen webinars that play while you sleep, like live simulated events, multi-day challenges or summits, instant watch funnels for high-intent buyers, or even true live webinars where you present but the AI handles the chat support. It totally adapts to whatever strategy fits your offer. All right, Section 4, pros, cons, and fit. To be an honest broker here, let's break down exactly where this tool shines and where it has some limitations.
Let's start with the pros, because the advantages are massive for saving time. It builds your complete webinar, script, slides, and voice in just minutes. The AI sales agent handles objections automatically, which is huge. It reduces your need for separate, expensive subscriptions, and you need absolutely zero design or copywriting experience. Plus, you get unlimited webinars and attendees on their core plans, all backed up by a super low-risk $1 trial.
But let's keep it 100% real, there are some cons. It is not designed for large-scale, highly interactive corporate meetings. Because it's heavily templated by AI, branding and design customization does have some limitations compared to a totally custom-coded page. Some features are a bit nested and take a little exploring to find in the dashboard. And finally, keep in mind that the email and SMS sends run on a credit-based system rather than being strictly unlimited.
So who is this actually for? The best fit is absolutely coaches, course creators, SaaS companies, agencies, and high-ticket service providers who rely on education-based sales to build trust. On the flip side, it is definitely not a fit for businesses selling low-cost, low-consideration products or teams that just need basic enterprise-grade hosting for internal, non-sales events. If you just need a simple checkout page for a $20 widget, you can probably skip this.
Which brings us to Section 5, Pricing versus Legacy Tools. We definitely need to talk about the cost and how it compares to the old way of doing things. When you pit legacy platforms like Zoom or GoToWebinar against WebinarKit, the difference in philosophy is just night and day. Legacy platforms focus purely on hosting the delivery. They're basically just renting you an empty digital room. You still have to write the script, design the slides, and pay for separate funnel tools. WebinarKit, on the other hand, uses AI to actively build the presentation, host it, sell via the AI sales agent, and bundle the funnel automation all together.
And when we look at the pricing breakdown, the value proposition is incredibly strong. You have a trial at just $1 for 7 days, perfect for testing the platform. Then the core plan sits at roughly $67 a month, which is great for solo coaches and creators. The Pro plan is about $97 a month for advanced features and more AI credits. And there's even custom pricing for a white label option for agencies. Considering competitors can charge $300 to $500 a month for comparable automation, $67 a month is a wildly reasonable investment. Finally, Section 6, Final Verdict and Next Steps. Let's wrap up our analysis and see if this is the right move for your business. Ultimately, WebinarKit goes way beyond basic hosting. By automating the entire sales webinar workflow, it removes the massive friction involved in launching a converting funnel. Think about the sheer exhaustion of copywriting, slide design, and live hosting. This tool removes all of that, acting as a comprehensive business growth engine that lets you launch what used to take weeks in literally just an afternoon.
So are you ready to stop selling manually and step out of that one-to-one grind? If so, this explainer strongly points to WebinarKit as a top-tier solution. I highly encourage you to click the link in the description right now to claim your $1 trial and see this AI magic for yourself. So I'll leave you with this. Are you going to keep burning out trying to be the engine of your business, or are you finally going to build one? Hit that link below and let's find out.